Oh, she looking a mess right now, but I promise she looks good. I'll show you some videos and pictures. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I am Makia Danielle. So today's video is going to be a quick video about some of my best purchases in the last couple months, I want to say. Probably even longer. This is my first time doing one of these videos and I thought it would be fun and talk about some things that I actually have bought, invested in, and I absolutely love. So if you like new things, if you're looking for something new for yourself, stay tuned, keep watching. I'll show you what I have. Oh good, you stayed. All right, so let's get into this conversation, right? I made a list of everything that I want to touch on. I also had to make sure I had it with me because, you know, sometimes I get excited and I'll forget something and I don't want to hold you off. So anyway, the first thing on my list, because I'm getting into making sure my skin looks good, I have to let you know about these two things from Fenty Beauty. The Buff Rider Scrub, and this is the Body Butter. I love the smell of these. Absolutely great together. They make your skin feel really soft and nice and sexy, or whatever else you want to call it. But these two together I absolutely love. I feel like that was the best purchase I made as far as my skincare goes. Like my nighttime routine, I go ahead and take a shower, use this, and then I'll turn around and lotion up in the bathroom and I feel really good and ready for bed. It helps relax me, so I think this is a winner, definitely. Yeah, if you like whipped body butters that make you feel good and smell good, this is definitely a duo for you. All right, so the next thing on my list, okay, so this was a find that I absolutely love and it has made my whole makeup routine much quicker, and that would be my magnetic corner lashes. Now I stumbled across these at Ross one day. I was just looking and I was like, that looks kind of cute. I know the magnetic lashes have been out for a while, but I kind of been like a little skeptical about trying them, and something just told me just buy them and see. I found some identical ones on Amazon and I have those on my Amazon page, which I'll link below for you to check out as well if you are looking for a quick lash routine. All right, and next thing I want to talk about, girl, is for all my wigs and weave wears. I have invested in, and excuse me, she's like balled up right now, but I do her way better when it's time to wear. Oh, she's looking a mess right now, but I promise she looks good. I'll show you some videos and pictures. But my next best buy is actually my V-part wig, which are pretty much like the latest in the wigs right now. All the girls have been wearing lace front wigs, glueless wigs, and U-part wigs, but the latest ones are definitely the V-part. And let me see if I can show you a little up close and personal. Okay, so if you can see here, instead of like the U shape, which you would kind of like do a huge leave out of your hair and just work your hair around it, the V shape actually has it to where it has more of a natural, I'm trying to see if you can see it, but I'm looking on like my display monitor and I feel like it's hard. The V-shaped wig actually has the hair all the way down to the net part. You can pretty much like leave a little bit of hair out to cover it, or you can actually not leave anything out at all. This was a really good buy. It was a great investment. I'll link below where I got her from. Okay, so we had a little technical difficulties. I thought I can plug up my camera and still use it because the battery died, but it was like, no, we're exhausted. So she cut off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm finishing up this up on my iPhone. If the quality looks completely different, if it looks better, worse, sorry. I'm just, you know, trying to make do with what I can make do, because when you really want to do something, you gotta do what you can do, right? This is pretty much like not something much of a new buy, but it was a good investment. I think actually this was my purchase of last year. I mentioned it in my video previous to this one, and that is my Telfar bag. Now, Telfeezy bags have been really hard to get, especially since it has been seen on Beyonce. And I have to say, I'm very proud of myself because I jumped on this bag right away when I started seeing it like really skyrocket in 2020. I definitely want to aim more on buying Black owned. I feel like it's very important, especially me as a Black creator, to support other Black creators as well as designers. So I was more than happy to get the Telfeezy bag. I got this in the Oxblood. This is the medium tote. I didn't like the small ones I see all the girls having. To me, with a taller body frame, I felt like that bag was just too small, and I didn't want to look like I was holding my baby sister's bag. Not that my sister's a baby. She is grown and gorgeous. But I didn't want to look like I was holding like a little kid bag. And I feel like the larger tote is more of a overnight bag for if you're staying somewhere. That's what I would use that bag for. So I thought the medium one was pretty much really good as far as just an everyday life carrying bag. So I pretty much carry everything from like my laptop to my phone. Like when I was in LA and I was trying to go to like model castings and stuff like that, I would throw in something extra like a pair of heels or something I might need to change into. Whatever I needed, I threw it in here. This was like my be-all bag. Just the Telfar tote itself, I feel like it's a great investment. I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I did get one because like I said, they're hard to get and they're coming out with beautiful colors now. I'm not sure if I want to get another one. I do like the quilted one. It's like a puffer quilted one. I'll show an image of it. But that one is pretty cute and I wouldn't mind having that one, but I know that's going to be hard to get as well. But I'm pretty much satisfied with this color. So that is another best buy that I have, and I'll link that below so you can kind of know where to get it if you ever can get it. Okay, this next buy that I actually am proud of and I really like. FENTY cream blush, cream blush in Drama Class. Sorry for the little ring. I did put her on. If you can kind of see, it's kind of hard to see here, but I'll do a little bit so you can see right now. But yeah, so this color is actually the color of the year, or the purple is just color of the year, and it's actually called something else according to Pantone because they decide what the color of the year is going to be. So this is that color, Drama Class, on like my skin tone if you are my complexion or anywhere around this range. But it's, I mean, it's really given. I love the color. I really do love it. I love the color. So that's that. That's what it looks like in the pack, minus the fingerprint smudges. But I feel like this was a great purchase, and I love Fenty Beauty anyway. So this was an amazing find that I was super stoked about, because actually, like, I was out with my mom and she found it. She always finds the stuff, and it turned out to be like the perfect lounge around the house piece. And it is the Aria. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I don't think I've ever learned to say it right, but it's A-E-R-I-E. Please correct me on the pronunciation if you can, but I'll have something similar, or I'll see if I can find it linked on the website below. This was a wrap style lounge, I want to say cardigan. I don't know what it's actually called, but this is what I wanted to show you. And I actually got this on clearance for like 10 bucks. So I couldn't leave it. But I guess when my mom seen it on the rack, when she saw it on the rack, it was pretty much folded like this, and you can still kind of see like the crease. But okay, so I'm trying to stand on my tippy toe so you can kind of see where it would stop at. So this is where it came down. Of course, it was super, you know, that's super long with the whole cuff part of it, but I like when my hands can get covered up, so I kind of uncuffed it, as you can see here, like that little line or that crease indent right here, and it's like super long. So I thought this was a great find and a great buy, because I like to be comfortable in the house when I'm just wearing like my PJs or like just some lounge clothes. I can just throw this on. It wraps like this, goes around, and wrap styles are like my thing because I have wide shoulders, and it helps create like this cute V style. I've been wearing this since I bought it, so I'm like absolutely excited about this. And like I said, I'll try to find something similar to this, especially because of the sleeves, and put it below for my tall girls or my girls with longer arms if you are in need of something to wear around the house. All right, girls, so that concludes this video. I just like I said, whenever I find something that I feel like is very helpful for me, it's really cute, and I feel like it could be shared because somebody else might like it as well, I'm going to share it with you here. I hope this inspired you to see some things yourself. Like I said, if you're looking for something to treat yourself with, those are some things that you can definitely invest in. If I can find a link for everything, I will put it down below in the description. And if not, I will try to find something close to it. Before I let you go, I have to let you know, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I can know if you enjoyed it and if I should do videos kind of close to this or anything else. Leave me a comment as well, ask me a question. You can ask me anything about the pieces I have or anything that I might have seen, or if there's something that you would like for me to look for, you know, because we can share things, you know, because we're that closest. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of my week. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.